Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to accept contactless payments using Tap to Pay on Cash App, it's important to complete the setup correctly before taking your first payment. This feature allows compatible phones to accept payments directly from contactless cards and digital wallets without extra hardware. If the option isn't enabled properly, customers may not be able to complete a payment. The setup only takes a few minutes, and once it's finished, you'll be ready to accept tap payments wherever you do business. Let's go through the process step by step and switch your Cash App account to a business account if tap to pay isn't available. 2. Open the latest version of Cash App and sign into your account. 3. Turn on NFC in your phone settings and allow nearby device permissions. 4. Activate tap to pay from the Cash App payment settings and follow the on screen instructions. Under 5. Test the feature by accepting a small contactless payment to confirm everything is working.